Alright, here we have a Westinghouse 2-speed box fan. This is another one of Zach's fans. Hey, you want to tell the story again?
So anyway, this came with the house that me and my mom moved into. And that was around 15 years ago, so I would have been like 5 years old at the time. So anyway, the reason why it's in the condition it's in is because my grandma used it for a while in her basement, and that's kind of how the rust formed on it. And then the girls were removed for whatever reason. Those were stashed in the garage, and that's why, yeah, same thing. That's why the girls are rusted out. So eventually, at some point, hopefully I can clean it up and restore it.
Yeah, it's not in the worst shape, but...
And then the reason why the back of the blades are blue is because, I was a kid, I liked the color blue, so I tried to color the fan blades blue, but...
Oh no, there's a model sticker.
Oh well.
There's some clippings in here. Oh. Alright, try this again. Here's low. Hopefully I don't run out of storage space again. I shouldn't. It says I have 43 minutes. Oh boy. I don't know what I did to it. Settle down there, Flipper. It runs about as good as a clapped out GMT 800. There it goes. Starting to calm down a little bit. I'm starting to speed up.
Very funny. What's the amp draw?
Amp draw, we are drawing 1.3 amps. Well done. Throwing clippings in. 103 watts.
It's been a minute since this thing's ran, so it's just kind of sticky.
Probably wouldn't hurt the oil this. Basically everything you have needs oiled. So far. Alright. Well, that's low speed. Go to high. Watch it throw clippings at me again. It's running better than it did in the first video. Drawing 2.2 amps at 167 watts. Sounds about like any fan from my high school years. Go off. Yes, we know. Got a good coast down though, surprisingly. Better than some of the other ones you got.
Well, these are probably the two worst conditioned fans I have, so...
That little Eskimo was pretty beat up. But other than that, this one is a little bit in better shape. But yeah, there's the Westinghouse 2-speed box fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.